the art of handcrafted wooden sculptures. This exquisite wooden sculpture is a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship and artistic vision of skilled artisans. Each delicate detail is the result of hours of dedication, as rough timber is transformed into a stunning masterpiece. From the initial carving to the intricate final touches, the process is a harmonious blend of tradition, precision, and passion. The artisan's tools shape every curve and texture, breathing life into the wood and capturing the essence of artistic elegance. This piece, embodying cultural significance and timeless beauty, showcases the enduring legacy of hand-carved wooden art. The art of handcrafted wooden sculptures, a journey through timeless craftsmanship. Wood carving is an ancient art form that has traversed the boundaries of time, culture, and geography, evolving into a medium that is as much about preserving tradition as it is about pushing artistic boundaries. This craft requires patience, precision, and a deep respect for the materials used. The following is an in-depth exploration of the creation process behind a magnificent handcrafted wooden sculpture, similar to the one shown in the image. This discussion will delve into the cultural significance, technical intricacies, and the enduring legacy of this captivating art form. Origins and cultural significance of wooden sculptures. Wood carving has its roots in ancient civilizations, where it was used not only as a decorative art but also as a medium for storytelling, religious worship, and cultural expression. Each sculpture often carries symbolic meanings, reflecting the beliefs and traditions of the time. In the case of the sculpture in question, the imagery may invoke spiritual or philosophical themes, depicting revered figures, mythical creatures, or natural elements. For centuries, wood has been a favored medium due to its availability, versatility, and warmth. In Asian cultures, particularly in Vietnam, wood carving often embodies themes of prosperity, longevity, and harmony with nature. The craftsmanship seen in sculptures such as this represents not only the artist's technical skill but also their ability to breathe life into a piece of wood, transforming it into an object of cultural and artistic significance. The process of creation, from timber to masterpiece. 1. Selection of wood. The first step in creating a handcrafted wooden sculpture is selecting the right type of wood. The choice of wood significantly impacts the carving process and the final product's durability and aesthetics. Hardwood species such as teak, oak, or mahogany are often preferred due to their density and grain patterns, which lend themselves well to intricate designs. 2. Design and planning. Before carving begins, the artist conceptualizes the design. This stage may involve sketching or creating a clay model to visualize the final piece. In traditional settings, artisans often draw upon historical or mythological themes, ensuring the work resonates with cultural and symbolic importance. 3. Initial shaping. Using chisels, saws, and mallets, the artisan begins to shape the raw wood. This stage involves removing large sections of material to outline the basic form of the sculpture. The artisan's skill in this stage is critical, as any errors could compromise the integrity of the entire piece. 4. Detailed carving. Once the general shape is established, the artist shifts focus to detailing. This is the most time-intensive phase, as intricate patterns, textures, and features are meticulously carved into the wood. The artisan's tools range from fine chisels to specialized gouges, each designed for precise cuts and grooves. 5. Sanding and smoothing. After carving, the surface of the sculpture is sanded to remove rough edges and achieve a smooth finish. This step ensures that the intricate details are not obscured and prepares the piece for finishing. 6. Finishing touches. The final stage involves applying finishes such as stains, oils, or lacquer to enhance the wood's natural beauty and protect it from environmental damage. In some cases, additional decorative elements like gold leaf or paint are added to highlight specific features.